Hey guys, today we're talking about the Kinetic pack. This is actually part two of this two-part series. The first part was all about what I would carry in my Kinetic pack and how it would all fit in. Part two, we're going to be talking about how to connect a tree stand and how to connect a set of sticks onto the Kinetic pack. So first off, lots of great sticks out there for the for the video today. We're using a set of the tethered one sticks. 4 sticks here. Novix makes great sticks. There's tons of sticks out there that can be longer. The length really doesn't matter. The idea is you've got this bottom shelf with these buckles. You're going to undo those buckles and those sticks are just going to fit just perfect. You can see it literally just rests right up against, perpendicular to the bottom of the pack. And for the time being, I'm going to buckle these back up so they just don't move. I've got them a little loose. And just like that, you've got sticks on the bottom of the pack. It's really, honestly, that easy, okay? And then the next part is how to connect the tree stand. So we've got 2 sets of buckles. We've got buckles here on the bottom. We've got buckles here on the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that tree stand and we're going to basically run it perpendicular to the pack, okay? I like it this way. You can do it this way. It just really hangs down and it kind of like, it'll tink against those sticks. So I like it this way. You can really tighten it down and it doesn't seem to rattle or tinker tank around as much. So I would suggest doing like that. I just made up the word tank. I don't think that's a thing, but we're gonna go with it. All right, so buckles on the top. Undo those buckles on the top and then you can just leave the buckles on the bottom for now. So just put the stand and set it just like that. You can kind of line your platform up so the buckles will kind of stick out already and be roughly where you want them to be. And then just take and go up and through the platform and then have this buckle come down from the top. And you don't really need to tighten this. Basically, this is just so that when gravity kind of does this thing and it wants to push down, it's kind of holding it like that. And then after we get those top ones, then we're going to unbuckle the buckles that have our sticks. Same thing, just go through that top platform. And again, you can loosen it and then just buckle it up. I'm kind of sitting here awkwardly because I don't want to stand up. Buckle it. Now, just cinch it down. Cinch it down. And again, if you wanted to, you could tighten these up, but you don't really need to. It's basically just hanging there. And just like that, sticks, stand, connected. Like we talked about earlier, assuming that you're already wearing your harness, you're wearing your binos, you're carrying your bow, you've got everything for the hunt. It's all connected. And then just literally make sure you got your ozonics on boost or hyper boost mode, put the pack on. Probably can't even see me, but it's all there. It's all connected. It's actually pretty killer. And like we talked about in the first video, there's actually extra space. You could put a lot more in if you were going to try to do an all-day sit. The other thing to mention is if you aren't using a tree stand, and let's say you're saddle hunting, you can switch out this platform and fit a saddle platform right here. Actually a lot more sleek. It's not going to stick out as far. It'll fit just the same. Run your buckles through it and you won't have any problem. Thanks for watching our video about how to connect a tree stand and sticks onto the Kinetic pack. Hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Good luck out there.